boys and girls, so this week we're going to be talking about doubles and doubles plus one, or they're also called near doubles. So once we know the pattern for doubles, it's really easy to find the answers for near doubles, which will make us faster at our math facts. And when we're faster at our math facts, then we get to be a little bit better at math. So these doubles are really important that we are able to do them and recognize them without counting. So the first ladybug has 2 dots plus 2 dots, and we all know that one. That one's 4. So if Mrs. Stewart drew one more dot, that would be a near doubles because it's one more dot on the other side. So then all I do is I take the doubles and I just add 1, so it would be 5. Okay, so now we look at the next ladybug. And we can think of our song too, like 6 plus 6 is what? It's 12. So 6 plus 7 is 1 more. So the answer is going to be 13. Okay. On the next ladybug, we have 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. So if I added 1 more dot on this ladybug, which would be 6, then my answer is going to be 1 more, which is 11. Okay. The next one is 4 plus 4. So I can either count the dots or I can just know that 4 plus 4 is 8. So if I added 1 more dot on this side, that would be a near doubles or doubles plus 1. So the answer would be 9. Okay. 7 plus 7 is, this is a hard one to remember, but it's 14. So 1 more dot would be 15. And the last one is 3 plus 3 is 6. So 1 more dot on this side would be 7. All right, let's turn it over on this side. So we're basically doing the same thing. 3 plus 3 is how many dots? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if I draw 1 more dot in this square, then my answer to the doubles plus 1 is just 1 more, which is 7. Okay, so on the other side we learned 7 plus 7 is 14. So 1 more dot on the bottom would make it 7 plus 8. So that would be 15. Okay, 5 plus 5 is 10. So 1 more dot here would be 11. 8 plus 8 is a hard one to remember, but 8 plus 8 is 16. So if I have 8 plus 9, that's my doubles plus 1. The answer is 17. Okay, 4 plus 4. We talked about this one. This one was the spider. How many legs does a spider have? 8. 1 more on the bottom is 9. And 9 plus 9, this is the 18-wheeler semi-truck with 18 wheels. So 9 plus 9 is 18. If I add 1 more here, that answer is 19. All right, boys and girls, make sure that your name is at the top of your paper. Turn it into the basket and start on your dream box.